Hovertech. Just a button away.
In this video tutorial, I will explain how to unlock the bootloader of a Unisoc Android device using Cheetah Tool Pro. In Cheetah Tool Pro, you head over to the Spreadtrum tab. You select your device or model. You select the brand and the model. Now, if your device is not on the list, just select Spreadtrum and then you select your chipset. And then you click on select. Now you go to the service tab and you scroll down to the bootloader section. Unlock bootloader and you click it. Now you power off your device, you hold your boot key, which could be both volume buttons or all three buttons, whatever your boot key is, and then you connect it to the PC via USB cable. Now the device will get detected. Okay, if you have a failed error, all you have to do is click on back and then you repeat the process. And now you should start the process. So just sit back and do not interrupt the process. And now the bootloader unlock is done, so you can disconnect and power on the device.